Hello Metro family, welcome to another video, and today our topic is geological timescale, a brief history of Earth since 4.6 billion years. The geological timescale is the calendar for events in Earth history. It divides up the history of the Earth based on life forms that have existed during specific times since the creation of the planet. These divisions are called geochronic units. Geo means rock and chronology means time. How did scientists divide the geological time? Scientists developed the time scale by studying layers of rock and fossils worldwide, called stratigraphy. So the deeper we dig, the farther back in time we see. The surface of the earth consists of layers of rock formed from pebbles, sand, and mud deposited by water, wind, or glaciers. The oldest layers are lower down and the more recent layers are piled up on top. In studying these rocks, geologists found that each separate layer contained different and distinctive fossils. They also found that the layers were similar all over the world. Geologists then classified and dated each layer of rock and the fossils found in them. What are fossils? Geologists study rocks and fossils. Fossils are the remains or traces of an organism from the geologic past that has been preserved in sediment or rock. Without the fossils, scientists may not have concluded that Earth has a history that long precedes mankind. The rocks and fossils tell the story of Earth from when its crust formed billions of years ago to the present. One of the first scientists to understand geologic time was James Hutton. In the late 1700s, he traveled around Great Britain and studied sedimentary rocks and their fossils. He believed that the same processes that work on Earth today form the rocks and fossils from the past. He knew that these processes take a very long time, so the rocks must have formed over millions of years ago. Before Hutton, most people believed the earth was only several thousand years old. His work helped understand that the laws of nature never change and that earth is very old. He is sometimes called the father of geology. Some of the examples of events listed on the geologic timescale include the first appearance of plant life on Earth, the first appearance of animals on Earth, the formation of Earth's mountains, and the extinction of the dinosaurs. The geologic time scale is divided into the following divisions. The longest subdivision based on the abundance of certain fossils is eons. Next to the longest subdivision marked by major changes in the fossils recorded is eras. Based on the types of life existing at the time is periods. Shortest subdivision marked by differences in the life forms and can vary from continent to continent is epoch. The first eon is called Hadean. About half a billion years ago, when Earth was just a hot ball of rock and the solar system was forming, including moon, comets, and asteroids. The second is Archean. Continents were forming. It took about 1.5 billion years and life started to form in the oceans. There was no oxygen gas on Earth and oxygen was only in compounds such as water. Complex chemical reactions in the young oceans transformed carbon-containing molecules into simple living cells that did not need oxygen to live. Instead, they made energy out of sulfur and other elements. During the Proterozoic, the atmosphere and the oceans changed significantly. Proterozoic rocks contain many definite traces of primitive life forms. The fossil remains of bacteria and blue-green algae as well as the first oxygen-dependent animals, the Ediacara fauna. By the end of the Proterozoic, formation of plants started. Period of visible obvious life, having seen many notable changes throughout its history, Phanerozoic eon began 542 million years ago with an explosion of life. Up to 96% of all life on Earth was wiped away 251 million years ago, and the extinction of dinosaurs 65 million years ago gave way to the rise of mammals. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching.